Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports. I usually don't get involved with vehicles that don't run, but this is it's an oddball vehicle, and I'm going to show you this truck. It's a 1946 Chevy pickup truck. It's been in the same family its whole life. The owners brought it into my friend's shop for restoration, and they're not going to be able to finish the truck. But a lot of really great things about this. I'm going to walk around and show you what I see. These are all the parts. It's a grill, pieces that come with it. I mean, it's really pretty good for a 46. I can't believe it. I mean, a lot more pictures on my website at buyersoutherncar.com. But just look at this thing. We're told the engine runs or was running when it came in here. We're selling it as non-running, but it should fire right up. The miles were low on this truck. It's just been sitting for a long time. Let me get the inside here. Look at this door. Look at how this... Pretty amazing. I don't see any rust anywhere, not even like on the corners. Floor is nice and solid. All the pedals are there. There's your shifter. I believe that's the original steering wheel and interior. The glass is in both doors, like I said, and there's your insulation. Get around the back here. These are the fenders. And there's your split hood. Just needs to be put back together. It's got that small back window thing. That's pretty cool. Pretty sure they have all the glass for it. I will find out about that. Let me get around it. I don't want to start moving all these parts around here, but let you guys see. There's the muffler. There's the rear end. It's in better shape than a lot of cars I've seen that are a whole lot newer than this, as far as rust goes, things like that. Look at those frame ends. That's amazing. There's your rear end. There's a lot of things on this truck that are just original. You never see. With these running board brackets, they're really good. They look great. They're nice and solid. I'm going to open up this door here. Door's closed pretty good. There's the dashboard, steering wheel. I don't think there's any rust in this truck at all. I mean, there might be some surface rust, but nothing really to speak of. I can be reached at 704-508-2150 if you're interested in purchasing this truck. Got the keys, got a title. Man, that closes great. Okay. So it just needs some paint work, assembly. Motor looks really good. I don't know the story on it, if it's been gone through or what, but like I said, it was running. Should be very easy to start it back up again. There's your horns, radiator, fan. Still surprised at the firewall. All the parts go with it. Everything that applies to this truck goes with it, out the door. That's really cool. All right, so if you like what you see, give us a ring. More pictures at buyersoutherncar.com. Thanks for looking.